Is work from home ending? Ola, Apple, Amazon buy record office spaces in Bengaluru. What's happening, guys? Another episode for the Bangalore Real Estate Podcast. I hope you guys are doing well. I'm gonna get over Mr. Umair from Square One Reality. So we had an episode before, but we couldn't get through. I couldn't save this episode, so I'm getting Umair over. We're gonna talk about real estate as usual. I hope you guys are doing well, and I have questions about real estate. I'm gonna ask Umair. I reached out to him on Instagram, and he was helpful enough. We're gonna talk about real estate. We're gonna bring down more value to you guys, more information about real estate. So this is going to be fun. I'm going to get him over. If you have any questions regarding real estate, what's the state of real estate, you can ask questions below. You can continue watching this video if you're interested to know more about the state of the market right now, given the work from home and all the falling rent prices. So I have Square One Reality. And as usual, I hope you guys are doing well. Let's talk real estate. It's been a while. Hi, bro. What's happening?
Hi. How are you?
Bro, I'm pretty excited to have you. Welcome to the show.
Super. Hopefully this time everything goes right.
Yeah, bro. This time.
I am.
So
audible,
you were.
right?
Yes. I'm audible too, right?
Yes. Perfect.
Bro, just keep the bare minimum of voice so that we don't have an echo. Okay. Just not too much volume in your end also. Okay.
Yeah, I'm fine, right?
You're fine here, but if I'm talking there, right, shouldn't be too much of a volume there. It's cool.
Okay.
So let's go ahead, bro. Since Mr. Umair, since I've gotten you, I've done a couple of episodes after that, so I'm
Very good.
pretty seasoned right now. So
Very good.
I know how to save and keep the episodes. Thank you for coming over, bro. You were gracious enough when I told you,
my pleasure.
just bro, let's do it again. Since I and our listeners want to know more about real estate, let's bring that into limelight about Bangalore, about the real estate scene happening, and we need people who are in the scene to know more about what's happening and sort of demystify the Bangalore scene.
True.
Right. So I want to do a hybrid of what happened last time, so that since I didn't save it, I like the answers that you gave also. So it's going to be fun. Give us a bit of an intro. Let's go ahead.
About the company?
About who you are and what do you do, and about the company.
So basically, I started off real estate in 2006 after
Right.
my engineering, and then this happened to me because there was a lot of real estate that was going on, and real estate that time was a very unprofessional, unethical practice that was
Yes.
happening, and they wanted, the market I think wanted a change of people to come in with more clarity, more responsibility.
Yes.
And they want to see people in the new generation coming into real estate than having all the so-called the
Older folks.
old-timers in real estate and so on.
Yeah.
And things were changing because the internet was on that time with Magic Bricks and
Yeah.
99 Acres coming up, with Sulekha coming up at that time
Oh.
with property listing, or else we used to
Yes.
use the Yellow Pages ads and the
So you were in the
newspaper.
transition
Yeah,
of
exactly.
understanding
During the
of
phase
traditional.
real estate and the new way it used to come up in. So, my father used to do how it used to be like the earlier time
Newspapers.
of newspapers, advertisement, and people call up and they want to come and see. Or
Yes.
usually it is that family and friends referrals that used to come. That is coming in
Yes.
even today. But
Yes, word of
usually
mouth.
that used to be the most of real estate that used to be.
So tell me.
Then from
back-
there we
Go ahead. Go ahead.
from there we grew up to everything coming online. We started having good drafts on agreements, and we started giving good services to people who wanted to either rent out or lease out or tenancy, sale, resale, and so on. And we should structure the deals also.
Right.
And so on. And from a lot of rentals that when I started off, riding around the city on the bike and showing people around, from rentals, it moved on to resales. And then from resales, we moved on to joint ventures also, which are doing today.
Right. How old were you then?
I was 2006, I think, 28, no,
Okay,
not 28,
crazy.
25, 26, 25,
Crazy.
26 at that time.
You have any suggestion for a youngster who's probably very young, 18, 19, 20? I don't know. They're probably interested. What would one expect? Roaming around a lot, just observing the space around you. What would
No,
Umair
over
say
these
to that
years, what
youngster?
is Yeah, so over these years, what's happening is, a lot of young guys have joined into the, business of real estate or,
Yeah.
selling of real estate,
Hmm.
but I've seen youngsters mostly getting into the pre-launch of apartments and,
Apartments. Right.
so on, rather than, getting into structuring of the transactions because they
Hmm. Hmm.
get not into that particular mode yet.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
But good, it's a very lovely business to do as a real estate. And if you have, your peers or your mentors in real estate who have,
Hmm.
giving you step by step some good guidance to, move along how it has to be done.
Yes.
Because it is not like you're packaging something and selling something which is the everyday's job. Every day
Yeah.
it's a new
Yeah.
transaction. Every
Hmm.
day it's a new way of doing real estate. And
Right.
you are dealing with so
A lot of
many
people
a lot
ends.
of people within the family that you're selling, so many minds that you're
Hmm.
selling with,
Yes.
or even with so many ways that they have seen how real estate was when they did an earlier transaction. Now it has
Hmm. Hmm.
changed.
Now
Then
they
again,
are used to that.
bank loans, bank procedures, then land acts, all that comes into play. So
I
you
mean,
have
it's
to be
not.
an
If I
you
have
have
to
to
be
be
in
a
it, it's not
lawyer by
just like a.
yourself. Yeah, you have to be a
Yes.
lawyer, you have to be an architect, you have to be, mentor to them, you have to become a
Better.
family member to them.
Yeah. Yeah, and it's not like just an on and off thing. It's constant. You have to be in it and
Exactly, exactly. Real
observe the
estate is
scene over the
one
years.
important thing. Whether you've invested into real estate and you are an investor or you are a brokerage firm, you
Yeah.
have to be there in the market all the time. You can't leave and
Yeah.
then do something and
Keep
then
your
come back
finger on the
again.
pulse.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you cannot. You cannot. You have to be there consistently. Only then you have your old clients coming up with you, meeting up with you, and
Hmm.
catching up with you and giving you referrals and so on.
Uh-huh.
That
Okay.
is very important.
So that's great. So which area were you? How did as you said, you went around the entire Bangalore, but
So
you
Central Bangalore
preferred.
was my forte. If you
Right.
everybody in my even my associates and everybody knew, Central Bangalore was
MG
my
Road.
forte. Yeah, MG Road area was my forte, and especially MG Road Alsur used to be my forte.
Also, yeah.
Everybody knew me because I used to reside there. And for a realtor
Huh.
or an agent, but his locality is his forte actually. Wherever he
Yes. Yes.
stays, his
Hmm.
lane, his house, his community, his around that
Yes.
area is the forte
Yes.
where he has to do.
It's your strong point.
It is anybody's. It is not
Yes.
mine. It is everybody's strong point because
Everybody's.
sometimes I have seen agents or associates running from one part of the city to other part of city to show a property, which
Uh-huh.
doesn't really think you in your locality. If you're good, that's the best
Hmm.
thing for you to happen, and it's the place because every area
You
has
want.
its own business. Every area has
Yes.
got good vibes.
And has its own dynamics. You have to know if you know the area. Any questions that people ask, it's easy for you because you know literally
Very
all the
much
places
because you
there.
live there, you
You
can say, I
live
live
there.
here, this is my area, I'm
Area.
here.
Yeah.
That's the best part to
Exactly.
do. And that is when you're solo. And when you
Yeah. Yeah.
go as a company and you have team of 4 or 5 people and so on,
Hmm.
then you expand your area. Then your
Hmm.
ISEC jurisdiction expands.
Yeah, yeah. Right. That's crazy, bro. So I want to like bring the focus on like the corona pandemic and stuff. What is your observation? How has the market changed? I think we spoke before all of this, isn't it?
Yes, yes.
Before the corona scene. So
So
I
I
have a
think
new
even
question
from
this
our
time.
last thing to now, I think there is changes that is happening, and there's
Yeah.
a lot of I am seeing lot of movement in the market, although it is there, but somewhere that fear factor of this, when it comes to health and medical to people, it's a
Yes.
very the rated one fear factor for everybody,
Hmm.
Uh, anything whatever it is, but first comes to the family and their health, and that's elections also that have happened. Are you
Right.
there?
Yeah. Can you just repeat the last
I think you got a
sentence?
call. So
Yeah.
basically, the most important thing for anybody is their family and health,
Hmm.
right? And that is very important that they take care of that first most priority as such. And this pandemic has come to that. They've spent a lot of time with their family. They knew that the house needs to be changed, or maybe they need to go to a bigger place, or the way things are coming up
Exactly.
in the future, work from home, study from home,
Hmm.
everything is at their residence. So now they
Right.
want that extra space. People are, kind of moving into larger spaces. We have seen
Larger
little bit
spaces.
of transaction there happening. We have had people who are coming and saying, is there anything called as a swap, which is not in India anymore. They want to
Okay.
swap to a two bedroom to a three bedroom, a three bedroom to a
From
four bedroom, or
inside the
maybe
city nearest
upgrade.
to
Yeah, so they want to do that, but here there's no swap as a swap how it happens
right. A
abroad.
proportional swap basically.
But yeah, so it happens. So people who want to upgrade their from condos to apartments to a 1 BHK to 2 BHK, so there is
Outside the
swap
city.
that
And
happens.
for those people who
But
don't know, there's
yeah,
a
yeah.
lot of things in the news that says
But
people
here what
who
happens? You
are
have to do a complete. Here you have to do a complete transaction. You have to sell your place and then
and
you buy a
then
place.
buy the this one. Right, right.
Buy
Because
that place that you
people who
want to
are
be, and then
watching
you
and
have to
don't
again.
understand, right?
Yes.
People are looking for moving outside from the middle of the city or wherever their workplaces are. They want a better spacious place. That's what being said in the newspapers also. They
Exactly,
want to go
exactly. That
from a
is
1 BHK to a 2 BHK or a 2 BHK to a 3 BHK and a
no
spacious outside.
in Bangalore as per se, 1 BHK was never a concept in Bangalore.
Yeah, it's
Now
just
new
for
builders and new projects have come in with 1
huh.
BHK. But whereas Bangalore has always been a three bedroom market, always.
Hmm, hmm, hmm.
And three bedrooms have always
They
sold
do
very well
share it
in
also.
Bangalore. Yes. So when the 2 BHK's trend came in, we wanted some smaller units, 2 BHKs, and those
Okay.
started selling in large quantities.
Hmm, hmm, hmm.
Bedroom became a sweet spot as a selling,
Yes.
quick selling thing. And
Right.
it is easier for a builder to rather manage 50 1 BHKs. They would rather do a 25 2 BHKs to sell.
Hmm, hmm, hmm.
Inventory wise, it used to be easier also to manage,
Right.
and plus
And
car parks or
car
everything
parking
used to be
facilities.
easier with 2
Right.
BHKs.
Also, tell us now the market actually at the peak of the corona thing it declined, right? So, but there is a bounce. Did you observe the bounce? Did you personally see the people
Yeah, in
who
fact,
because they were saying real estate was at a discount. That's what they were saying
no,
over a
there
couple
is
of
a
months.
price
Did you observe
correction.
that? Yes,
There
correctly.
is a price correction in especially resale. There has been a price correction wherein people wanted to, kind of liquidate their asset wherever they had two assets. They're already
Hmm.
living in
Hmm.
one, and they have another asset which they are renting it out, or EMI is going out. So
Yes.
they wanted to, give it off and be free from that one particular extra EMI that they were, squeezing in and so on.
Yes.
And plus job losses have been quite tremendous in this particular pandemic,
Hmm.
and people were the wives would do certain jobs in certain
Yes.
places. They have not have that continuation in the jobs.
Hmm.
So that has been seen in most of the cases where and a lot of people have downgraded from paying rental between 68 to 80,000.
Right.
A lot of people from city.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
You're there? I think you lost out.
No,
So a
no.
lot of
So I'll
trend
save
in
the episode in
rental.
5-10 minutes. Okay, bro. So
Yeah, sorry.
I'll save the episode. So I'm
Yeah,
pretty
yeah,
sure we've saved it in 5-10 minutes.
yeah, yeah. Better,
Yeah,
better.
yeah. Go
So,
ahead.
so in rental trend, what has happened is people have come down. They stepped down on rental. That is,
Yes,
if they had been paying 60, 70, 80,000 rupee rental, they've come down to 25 to 40,000 range. That is, they
Hmm.
moved spaces.
Yes. Okay.
So, so we've had business even when the markets were low because people wanted to downgrade. Even offices have downgraded. Wherever they were to 2,500, 2,600 square feet or 3,000 square feet, they've come down to 1,000 square feet, 1,100. See, they cannot shut down.
Hmm.
See, offices just in a day they can't just shut down and say bye bye,
They have
goodbye.
agreements.
I'm booking my losses. I don't want to do this
Yeah.
anymore. They can't do that.
It's not
That's
the
not
stock
happens.
market.
They will reduce the staff. They will reduce their outgoings that are there, majorly rentals. So they've gone down to smaller spaces, gone down to some of them even going to WeWorks or our
Hmm.
co-working spaces, co-works and so on.
Right.
So there we've seen some good transactions happening.
Right. So you touched upon working from home. Do you see it still as a trend? And
So
is
I'm
there a positive sentiment for people buying more places outside Bangalore?
Yes, so I'm seeing the most important thing. I'm seeing completely different what do you
Dynamic.
call, ideas from a lot of them who are, working from home,
Okay.
as well as things, because they said, no, my company is okay with it. They want us to work from home only. Some have said, no, we have to get back, because I think it depends upon the teams, you know, the teams that they are working with. If it's a particular team which they need to put in minds and work around, and they need to
Physically.
sit across the table, they need to do that. I think those teams will retain and they'll go to the office. But whereas teams, like finance or somebody just coding from somewhere, or doing a, error check, coding, whatever they do,
Yes, back
software,
end.
they, yeah, backend types of thing, that I think they will retain
Those boys, yeah.
in their homes as work from home. And others will have to go to the office, because when they have some major decisions to be taken, financial, or implementing some new this thing, or product design which comes in. Of course, some good softwares are coming up which are bringing people together, which also company had, but the working face to face is a completely different thing, because the thought process, goes in faster as you speak, as we are in, face to face
Yes.
meet in
Okay.
person.
Right. So, bro, I'm going to save the episode. So, for those of you guys
Surely,
watching, just come back. Also, ask questions. You're free to ask questions. It's like an
yes,
open
please.
conversation. Any questions? So, I'm going to just save this so that I save it. Okay. Just 2 minutes. Give me 2 minutes.
Yeah, yeah.